My phone will be dry cause I'm talking to beats and I'm listening clear when it's talking to me. Chill with my bro and I show him my songs. He said we gon' blow, say already know. He chill with your girl, I chill with a friend. He say that's my world, say no that's my hoe. They say what's your mission cause I be like Raven. I'm having the visions and stacking up dough. Black nigga making magic, if I want it I'ma have to make it happen. Dark magician pulling rabbits out my hat and they all different. So you see the versatilities, know you feeling me. Niggas hating most of them be grimy. Can I find another nigga like me besides me and like Lee? Cause I eat the beast with a iced tea. Ripping up the beats, make a crime scene. Niggas cannot copy my rhyme scheme. Roll the dice, roll 11, roll a 7. Making bands really is my thing. Honestly, you cannot stop me. Can I see? Cause I got my vision all in one thing. Distractions coming, got me dodging. I ain't never stopping, no, I cannot stop. My phone to be dry cause I'm talking to beats and I'm listening clear when it's talking to me. Chill with my bro while I chill with a hoe and I hit from the back and the nigga I leave. He chill with your girl, she say he a friend, but once your ass leave, he getting it in. They talking to me and I'm not talking back cause I got a mission of making a band. I got a few niggas, I don't call them niggas, I call them brothers cause they riding for me. Got a few bitches, I don't call them bitches, I call them honeys cause they riding on me. I'ma buy a house, give it to my mama, make sure that she not working. Tryna make money till it ain't funny, hold the family to my back hurting. My phone will be dry cause I'm talking to beats and I'm listening clear when it's talking to me. Chill with my bro and I show him my songs. He said we gon' blow, say y'all already know. He chill with your girl, I chill with a friend. He said it's my world, say no that's my hoe. They say what's your mission cause I be like Raven. I'm having the visions and stacking up dough.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Lay beats, this go crazy.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Lay beats, this go crazy.
Have no fear, Superman here, about to set the world and still get the girl. Look at that man, it's shining in pearls. King with my beat cause there's too many curls. I got a variety, go tell the niggas don't try me. I don't think he wanna die tonight, made me mad and I go on a killing spree. Bitch, I get canceled, I take a knee. Nigga, they let me up and then throw the key. I don't think that nigga wanna mess with me, cause bitch I am Superman. Save everybody, I do it, then give me a vent, wrap it up, make a Gucci vent. Asking me questions, I thought that you knew me, then why would you ask me these questions, you knew me, man? Cause I changed, I fucked up my brain, then I told my friends, man, fuck you all, I'ma get my fame, but I need my friends, cause they keep me sane, man, that's the same thing. Bitch, I'm boring, I'll do the same thing. I'm the fun, I'll do the lame thing. Drive a foreign, now I paint a plane green. Change the purple, cause the green, it ain't me. I got diagnosed with anxiety and depression too, that's a scary thing. They say fight my demons, but they fighting me. Most of y'all don't even know what that shit mean. I'ma lose the final, running out of G, but I double back, I gotta tell beach. Y'all gon' get karma fucking with me, and I know that karma man it hit deep. Fighting demons and I hit them with a 3, save the world from a doomsday. Wear my metal like a new chain, then wake up, it's a new day. If I don't save the world, then who can? Cause bitch, I know that you can't. This song earned me a new fan. Kill my competition like a tin can. I took my L's, name him Batman, but I'm still the strongest in the universe. You fuck with me, you gon' get hurt. Cause bitch I am Superman. Save everybody, I do it, then give me a vent, wrap it up, make a Gucci vent. Asking me questions, I thought that you knew me, then why would you ask me these questions, you knew me, man? Superman. Bitch I am Superman. Yeah. Bitch I am Superman.
It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. People come and go, it's not a big deal. Going all crazy, you better sit still. Look at my fits, you never seen this. Cause I'm doing better without your shit. Got me a list for my achievements, doing all the shit that I never did. Look at my wrist, I don't see shit, but it's more than me and you ever did. You said I ain't shit, well maybe I'm not, but listen to this, you know it's a bop. I'm not talking kids, cause my music rocks. It's not the stuff that you can put in a box. Like bitch, I'm catchy, everybody like me. Might even pull up and swap up a wifey. Yo, but she like me, text me on IG. And if she broke, well she can just Skype me. Holding my angle like whole nigga try me. While these rappers is passing right by me. Must not have listened to my song Hawaii, but it don't stop me, just do it like Nike. Yeah, I'm kinda bumping, my music be icy. Yeah, my heart cold, but my fire is riding. I'm just an nappy headed nigga trying to changing and I still feel it. Gotta move on, gotta go on, but it's not easy to just stop tripping. Not everybody don't like Sky Pippin. Not everybody chillin', walking, skipping. You gon' change, I'm gon' change, well y'all gon' change. Can we stop acting like we different? Come and go, it's not a big deal. Going all crazy, you better sit still. Look at my fit, you never seen this. Cause I'm doing better without your shit. Got me a list for my achievements. Doing all the shit that I never did. Look at my wrist, I don't see shit. But it's more than me and you ever did. I got a few ghosts, but damn they all dead. Don't got many friends, but I got some brothers. I got some folks, they real to the end. They ain't pretend, they ain't like the others. My mama, God, I love her the most. Give her a toast before it's the end. I love my brothers, but I love my mother. Way before anybody would come into my life.